Have you ever tried making Nigerian fried rice and chicken? Many struggle with perfecting this dish. Today, I'm here to help you master it. Our goal is to cook delicious Nigerian fried rice and chicken efficiently. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need rice, vegetables, chicken, and seasonings. Next, wash your rice thoroughly to remove excess starch. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. While the rice soaks, prepare the chicken. Season it with your favorite spices. Heat oil in a pot and fry the chicken until golden brown. Remove the chicken and keep it aside. In the same pot, add more oil. Sauté chopped onions, bell peppers, and carrots until fragrant. Add the soaked rice next, along with chicken stock and seasonings. Stir everything well. Cover and allow it to cook on low heat. Meanwhile, check on the chicken. Once it cools, shred it or keep it whole. After about 20 minutes, check the rice. Ensure it has absorbed the liquid. If not, give it more time. Once done, mix in the chicken. Stir gently to combine everything. Now, your Nigerian fried rice and chicken is ready to serve. Remember, practice makes perfect. Today, you learned how to cook a classic Nigerian dish. Try making this recipe at home. Enjoy your culinary journey.
Hello, if you are coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Jamilat and this is the 13th of our 30 days AI video creation challenge. Just taking people step by step on how they can use AI to blow up their socials, create super amazing videos, showing free tools, how to do the scripting, the video creation and everything. So if you are coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, you can join the family. And if you want to join the private tutorship, mentorship, you have questions that should be answered privately, you can join the private classes by texting me on the number you are seeing on the screen. So let's start working. Okay, there are a lot of AI tools out there that you can use to create your explainer video. Explainer videos are those videos that explain something to you, just as the name implies. Explainer videos are those tutorials, how to do something and all that, step-by-step videos and all that. So AI can also create that for you, from the scripting, background music, the visuals, everything. With just an idea, it can create everything for you. All you need to do is just export and post. So today I'm going to be showing you a tool you can use for your explainer video. This has to be my favorite. Yeah, there are a couple, but I think I really love this one. So this explainer videos literally gets the script and everything for you, like I said. Okay, and most of the time there are agents that does this thing for you still inside that one too. So today we are going to be generating a video on how to make Nigerian party jollof. The first video you saw was how to make fried rice, right? But this one is going to be how to step by step on how to make the Nigerian party jollof. So it's actually a free tool, but it has the watermark. Except you are subscribing to the pro version, then the watermark will not be there. But one thing I love about it is that it's detailed. Yeah, 1 to 2 minutes. Some are even up to 3 minutes, depending on what you are generating, right? So depending on what you are generating and also depending on the tool you are using, right? So today that is it. Let's get right into it. For today's video, we are going to be using this tool that is called Pictorial AI. Just search it on your browser and you are going to be seeing it. Okay, this is the tool we are going to be using today. So we are just going to wait for it to load. You sign up an account either using your Gmail or whatever, or using your, how to do that. So this is what the interface looks like. And mind you, the best experience is when you use a desktop, but since we don't have a desktop, we will use our mobile phone by turning off the desktop side on our phone And you know how to do that, okay? By coming to this three dot and you will see desktop side. Just turn it on. It's going to click this good, and that is it. So this is what it looks like. So to like, since you're having the better experience now, but you know things are tiny, you have to like put your eyes like this, so you just have to like zoom into it a little bit. As you can see, these are my creation 4 days ago. I've created a couple of things, and this too is not only for explainer videos. You can see we have the text to image here, we have the audio, we have the text to video, audio to video, URL headers, link to video, AI video editor, summarize video for you. Oh my god, images to video. Pictory is one of those super extremely super amazing AI tools that you should embrace. Remember the other time I told you that after this whole class you might want to like pay for any of these tools so that you can enjoy it. I already have the one I want to pay for. You can just pick one that you know does it the way you want, not the one I use, but the one you want to. That is why I introduced new tools for you so that you can that's why I give you assignments. You try them and you know, oh, this tool is good, this tool is the best for me, this tool is the one I want to sign in, pay, and all that. You understand what I'm saying? So I think for me, I'm not going to tell you which tool, but I said I was going to tell you, right? We've not gotten to that part, so I just also want to tell you that Pictory is actually still amazing. Just look at it. It has a lot of things. Wow. And you know, I also love tools that gives you tutorial on how to use them. You can see this discover, quick start video tutorial. You can take your time and watch it. Like, we have it's amazing. So this is the home page, and today we want to be creating an explanatory video. So we click on this text to image. Since it is the desktop site on your mobile phone, it might be a little bit stressful, but we are actually using what we have. So we are using what we have. Sometimes you have to zoom up, zoom down, zoom side, zoom right. It's stressful, but don't worry. Money for laptop is coming and we are going to get that. So this interface is where you just on it. So this, if you see this idea, this is where you put your topic. This place say explainer. That is what I was telling you today. This place is for marketing, internal communication, tutorial, product introduction. But today we are creating an explainer video, or is step by step on how to prepare a typical Nigerian smoky jollof, party jollof rice. Okay, party jollof rice. Okay, so we'll just send that in, and it is going to like write out the script. Okay, it's going to write out the script for us. Okay, so this is just a script, but we can make it lengthy by clicking on that lengthy, but maybe it could ask for money, but let's just see how it goes. Okay, it keeps coming up. Okay, so I'll just click on replace, and this is what it looks like. So our script is ready. Okay, so we'll just, if you check on this corner, is the right, this your right hand side, you are going to see this generate just popping out small. If you are using this system, it's going to be better for you, but since we don't have that, we are going to use what we have. So this is what it looks like. They are going to ask you for a thing. I mistakenly pressed something. Please hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the edit save, that means if you mistakenly go back, the preview, is it preview they call it, or the draft? Yeah, the draft is saved there. This is good. So it wants you to choose the theme that you want. Which theme should we choose? I think I actually love all of them, but let's choose this chick, since I'm a chick. Since I'm a baby girl. So this is what it looks like. Please wait while the video storyboard is being created. I believe I've explained what a storyboard is for you before. A storyboard is also like your scene, like you're from scene to scene like that. So all these AI video generators, they also go through that, especially when you are creating a lengthy video like this one. This video should be approximately 1 minute or maybe 1 minute 30 seconds. It is not like all those videos we are creating for just 6 seconds or 10 seconds or 15 seconds. So this is it. This is our storyboard. So this is what everything is looking like. Okay, you can see we have project here. Let me zoom in a little bit. I'm being very careful. We have this place 19 by 16, that is for the YouTube. We have 9 by 16, that 16 by 19 for YouTube, 9 by 16 for Facebook Reels and all that. So this is what everything looks like. Okay, this is everything. You can change it from there, but I'm going to be posting my own on YouTube, so let it just be there. And guess what? It's 2 minutes 12 seconds and it is free. So we'll just click on download and you can see everything at this bottom side. You can see the audio. I don't really like using audios from this site, so that Uncle Mark doesn't ask me where did you get that audio from. Delete it. So we can just download it. We tell you if you want to download without the watermark, you are going to pay. If you want to download with the watermark, download with watermark, there is no payment. So it is going to process your video. As you can see, it's actually very simple, and there are a lot of things you can do here. You can do the tutorial, you can do the marketing, like you can do a lot of things here. So this is what we are just exploring today. We will definitely come back and explore more things, but in your free time you can explore as many areas of this. But I needed to know that not all the areas can be free like that. Some will ask you for payment, and if you go through everything, if you think you like the way it brings out your video, Pictory might be the app you can pay for at the end of this or 30 days classes, because you will definitely need one tool that can make things a little bit more faster. Okay, because when you pay, paying is actually sweet. No adverts and all that, no stress. So let's just wait for it to generate. And do you know that you can also run this in the background? You can run this. I love it so much. I love it. So you can run this in the background while you are still doing other things. So we are just going to go back and come back in. Okay, so after some time, it's going to show you that the video has been generated, and the super amazing thing is that you can also export the audio and the text. Since it's the entire video we are interested in, we are just going to click on download, and in a few minutes, few seconds, depending on your network, the video is going to be in your gallery and you are going to download it. Now, yesterday on our previous video, I told us that you don't really have that much control when you use text to image, text to video. Okay, you don't get to the camera angle, the everything, you don't get to set it yourself. But when you are using images to video, You are in full control. You are the one that generates the pictures the way you want it to be animated, the camera angle, you want it from any view, any side, any place. You are in full control. So that is an advantage if you are using the images, and so that is going to be let's play our video and see. It still added the audio. Okay, I think I didn't really click there, so you can always remove the audio even as you've generated the pictures. Now since it is writing, assuming the audio is not there, that loud music you are hearing, it could have been a voiceover of describing everything. You can then put the audio, the free royalty free audio, using your, assuming the audio was not there, it was the voiceover, you can use your InShot and just put royalty free audios. Okay, so this audio I might likely remove it and put a different one since it has writings on the screen. Okay, so you can generate as many as possible. For your assignment today, I just want you to do anything, just do anything. 5 videos, don't forget, 5 videos, and post them on your socials. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I love you, and bye bye. Thank you.